By now, you should have a good understanding on how to add user contact information onto your account. Now we'll show you how to manage contacts on your mobile devices enabled with Push-to-Talk Plus. You will also learn how to build groups for Talk Group, an all-important feature of the Push-to-Talk Plus service. Let's start from the landing page after you log into the Account Maintenance portal. Now we want to go to the PTT Plus Contact Management portal. Click on Manage Account at the top of the page as shown here. A submenu will open up with a heading named Product Tools. Product Tools is an active link, so let's click on it. Now you will see the full Product Tools menu. Look for Push to Talk and make your final click to enter the PTT Plus Contact Management portal. Now let's pause a moment so I can take you back a couple of screens to show you how to eliminate a step. Look under Favorites. See Product Tools? If not, you can add this shortcut to your favorites by clicking on the Edit Favorites icon. Now you can go directly to the Product Tools menu from here. Alright, we're back to the Push-to-Talk Contact Management page. Let's start with the first action, Contacts, which is already opened up. Let's take a quick tour of Contacts by opening up a contact. Here we can see all there is to know about this mobile user's contact information and the contacts on their device. There's a lot you can do from this page, but before diving in, let's stop here for a moment and review your options. All PTT wireless numbers in your organization are automatically added by Verizon Wireless, so you are able to build Push-to-Talk Plus contact lists and create groups right away. You can add Verizon Wireless PTT Plus numbers from other organizations as contacts. These external contacts can then be assigned as individual contacts and group members. A sublist is a dynamic collection of two or more contacts. Sublists are an improvement over templates in that any change, addition, or deletion to the members of a sublist will automatically update all lines assigned the sublist. This gives you a powerful way to update contact lists with one transaction. Each sublist can have up to 200 members. You may create up to 1,000 sublists in your organization. Alright, we're back to the Contacts page. Let's do a quick tour. In Contacts, you can add external contacts, create, add, or apply sublists, groups, or templates. Copy one's contact list to another or one-to-many. Export this information to a spreadsheet, or print to a printer. For the purpose of this video, we'll stick with the basic use of the contact page, which includes add external contacts and copy one contact to another. Let's add an external contact. Remember, an external contact is a Verizon PTT Plus user outside of your organization. Click on the Actions drop-down box, then click Add External Contacts. As you can see, this is pretty straightforward. You can add up to 5 external contacts at a time. Once you click Add, the external contact or contacts will be added immediately to your selected devices. Click the Refresh List icon to update your external contacts. Well, that's a wrap for contacts, so let's jump over to the next action item, Sublists. From the PTT Plus Contact Management portal, click on the Sublist tab. Any changes made in the sublist automatically updates all devices associated with the sublist. From this screen, you can view, search, create, and assign sublists. Let's take a look at one of them. Here you see two parts of an existing sublist. At the top are members included in the sublist. At the bottom are the users who are assigned this particular sublist. Let's say I have a new employee named Doug, who needs a list of company contacts loaded into his new mobile device. I have already associated his name to the device using the Account Administrator portal. And since Doug is a new hire, others will need his contact info as well. So I will add Doug to this sublist by clicking Add Member. A list of all my contacts will pop up. I can either search or scroll to find Doug, and once I select him, I click Submit to see a confirmation notice. Now that Doug is a member of the sublist, we also need to assign the sublist to him. This time we'll click Add Assigned and go through the same steps and get another confirmation notice. Now here's the good part. Doug's mobile device just received all the contacts in this sublist. And all of the others who are assigned this sublist just had Doug added to their device contact list as well. Splendid, don't you think? Now back to the sublist page. There's a handy link on the upper right part of this page called Help with Sublists. Please reference this link for more detailed information on how to use sublists. Okay, let's stop here for a second again. Remember I said you can have up to 200 contacts in a sublist? At the time of this video, you're allowed to enter 50 at a time. Meaning, if you need to add more, you simply save your first set of 50 contacts, then reopen the same sublist, add another 50 contacts, save, and so on. You get the picture. That's it for contacts and sublists. Now let's look at groups.